Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to today's video on fixing the Verizon Internet Gateway that's blinking white. If you're dealing with this frustrating issue in 2025, you're in the right place. This light usually means your gateway is trying to connect to the network or there's a minor glitch, but don't worry. We'll get you sorted out step by step. First off, let's understand why this happens. The blinking white light often indicates that the device is in setup mode, experiencing a connection problem, or possibly dealing with outdated firmware. It's not always a big deal, but ignoring it could leave you without internet. So, grab your gateway and let's dive in. Step 1. Check your physical connections. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a loose Ethernet or power cable is the culprit. Unplug everything, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. If that doesn't work, move to step 2. Restart the gateway. Hold down the reset button for about 15 seconds until the lights change, then let it reboot. This refreshes the system and often resolves temporary issues. Next, verify your Verizon account status. Log into the Verizon app or website to ensure your service is active and there are no outages in your area. If everything looks good there, try updating the firmware. Connect to the gateway's admin page by typing its IP address into your browser, usually 192.168.1.1, and look for any available updates. Install them if needed, as this can fix compatibility problems. If you're still seeing that blinking light, it might be time to contact Verizon support. They can run diagnostics remotely or guide you through more advanced troubleshooting. Remember, if your gateway is under warranty, they might even send a replacement. Throughout this process, keep safety in mind. Avoid opening the device yourself to prevent voiding any warranties. By following these steps, you'll likely have your internet up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.